Over the past century, Ministry of Transport of the Royal Thai government has been pursuing to improve Thailand's transport infrastructure and services to boost community happiness and well-beings while consistently strengthening national social and economic capabilities. Our mission is to manage transport policies and implement strategic initiatives in an integrated manner inconsistent with the Thailand development plans. Develop sufficient infrastructure and transport management to meet the present demand and anticipate the future changes. Ensure good governance and modernize the regulatory system and standards. Continue to improve the efficiency of transport services. Encourage an appropriate social value of transport users and increase the capacity of transport businesses and services. Establish an ongoing organizational development to achieve organization excellence. The Minister of Transport administratively comprises of total 21 agencies, divided into 9 government agencies, 1 independent government agency, and 11 state enterprises as follows. The Office of the Minister facilitates and assists the ministers in political matters, including policy coordinating with the relevant ministries. The Office of the Permanent Secretary is responsible for developing the minister's management strategies, as well as transforming policies into action plans. It is also accounted for resource management and administrative functions, including supervision, inspection, and evaluation of operations and achievement of the agencies under the ministry. Marine Department promotes and develops water transport system and marine transport as a complement to multimodal transport connectivity. Department of Land Transport is responsible for systematization and regulation of land transport by monitoring and inspection to ensure the conformity with relevant rules and regulations so that the land transport becomes well-run, convenient, inclusive, and safe. Department of Airports develops and promotes airport infrastructure and businesses by taking into consideration of efficiency and safety. Department of Highways implements the Highways Act exclusively in relation to motorways, national highways, and concession highways. It is also in charge of conducting research and carrying out the construction, maintenance, and restoration of highways. Department of Rural Roads is responsible for the development, construction, and maintenance of the rural highways with a view to connect national highway network and local highways within the country. The Office of Transport and Traffic Policy and Planning is responsible for transport policy guidance and formulates national transport and traffic plans. Department of Rail Transport is tasked with developing rail transport policies and strategic guidance and also development plans relating to rail transport. It also functions as a regulator for national rail systems, including conducting rail-related research and development studies that could lead to national and regional innovations. The Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand is an independent government agency under the oversight of the Minister of Transport. Its responsibilities include prescribing, regulating, auditing, and promoting Thai civil aviation activities in conformity with national laws and standards. The State Railway of Thailand is responsible for overseeing and developing the national railway network with a view to enhance service efficiency and serve as an alternative way for transportation. Mass Rapid Transit Authority of Thailand operates the mass transit and expands its network and connectivity to meet people's need and the government's policies. The Port Authority of Thailand is accounted to expand the port services and maritime logistics service for domestic and also ASEAN. It is also responsible for elevating the port service standard to achieve modernity. Expressway Authority of Thailand. Operates expressway network and its related businesses. Bangkok Mass Transit Authority provides public bus services in Bangkok and its vicinity with modern and eco-friendly technology. Civil Aviation Training Center produces and develops highly skilled aviation personnel to meet the needs of the national and regional aviation industries in line with the international standards. Its responsibilities also include providing assessment and approval of applications for aviation personnel licenses. The Transport Company Limited provides domestic transportation service and create international transportation network in the region while ensuring safety, convenience, punctuality, and modernity. The Airport of Thailand Public Company Limited manages 6 international airports, namely Suvarnabhumi Airport, Don Mueang International Airport, Phuket International Airport, Chiang Mai International Airport, Hat Yai International Airport, and Mae Pha Luang Chiang Rai International Airport. Aeronautical Radio of Thailand Limited is the national air navigation service provider with safety, standards, and efficiency. Suvarnabhumi Airport Hotel Company Limited provides accommodation and related facilities for passengers and general public at Suvarnabhumi Airport, bearing the name of Novotel Suvarnabhumi Airport. SRT Electrified Train Company Limited provides the airport rail link services between Payathai Station to Suvarnabhumi Station. With a solidarity of all agencies under the Ministry of Transport, we endeavor to make every trip a journey to happiness, uplift the quality of life, create more jobs through stimulating a healthy economic growth, promote urban expansion to raise local revenues, develop a livable city, and ensure convenience, accessibility, safety, and inclusiveness for all.